Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm going to be showing you the unboxing of this hair. It comes in this really pretty packaging, but I'm going to show you everything that comes in the package, which is a headband. You get, your cap, and then you also get the hair. And the hair is Afro Kinky. It is 18 inches and it is a 13x4 lace, so you guys have a lot of parting space. And here is just the inside of it. I did, after this video, bleach the knots. I did not put that on camera because sometimes it's just complicated to do all that. So you just see the hair in its natural state, and it does have pre-space for some baby hairs, but I did pluck this unit as well, as you're gonna see when I do the application how it looks after it's plucked and bleached. So yeah, I'm gonna apply it on camera. I'm gonna show you guys from beginning to end, so please stay tuned for that. Alright, so obviously I was going to talk on camera, but I couldn't get over how loud my baby was being in the background. She was just having a ball. So for courtesy of your ears, I'm just going to do a mini talk over, and I'm not going to really walk you guys through the process of applying the wig, because I've done this 1,000 times on my channel so far. So I'm not going to tell you step by step, but the hair did take very well to bleach, as I bleached the knots for about 25 minutes, and then I plucked it as well, and it was very easy to plug. It didn't take me long to do it at all. I would say a total of maybe 45 minutes to get everything to customize the entire unit. And yeah, that's all I did to it. And then I just added my makeup on the cap and also on the lace as well, so that it can give me that scalp effect, y'all. I'm trying to look like Scalpy Anna. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I did, and then I just applied it per usual. So you guys enjoyed this install. I didn't do anything special. I did start to do some baby hairs on there, but I decided not to do baby hair. So this is I have like a little baby hairs. I don't have anything dramatic, so it's gonna be very light and pretty. This hair is kinky, Afro Kinky, so it can get dry. So I did use some curling products on it, and you want to make sure that you drench the hair with water so that you can get the product and work it through the hair, because like I said, it can get dry. So that's pretty much all. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this install. I will be linking all of the information down for this hair below, so please don't forget to check out my description box with all of the information. Okay, so you guys, for the best install, you want to make sure that your hair is flat underneath so that the lace can lay flat. So that's pretty much what I did. I just combed my hair back, put it underneath the cap, and it was fine. Make sure you utilize your combs too, because they help for a flatter install. So I used the ones on the side and also in the nape area, and I also used the adjustable strap to make it fit my head tighter. And that's all I do to make it fit very snug. And you want to make sure that you also use your hot comb to comb down the hair and to make it flat so that you can get that seamless look. So that's pretty much what I did. I didn't do it on camera, but I did it after I plucked the front, and that was pretty much it. This hair is really pretty. It's soft. Even though it is an Afro Kinky texture, it's very natural looking. So that's what I love about this hair. And this is my new favorite wig, y'all. Like, I love it so much. So pretty much that's all that I did to this hair, you guys. And it looks so freaking bomb. Like, I'm in love with this so much. So you guys go check out the store, get this wig. It's very affordable and it's pretty. I had no trouble styling this hair. Like I said, it was just so simple and easy to do. So yeah, that's all that I did, you guys. Okay, so the hair does shed just a little bit, and I think it shed even more because I did pluck it in the front. And you guys have to remember, when you do pluck and bleach your frontals, that will encourage hair to shed. So I didn't really mind that. It wasn't shedding badly. This unit is so thick that if it shed even more, you would not notice. But to give you some more specs on the hair, it is a 9A as an apple grade hair. It's 150% density, and it's 18 inches in a natural color. The price is $146.68 plus tax, so you might spend around $150-ish on it if you do decide to get an 18-inch. You could get this hair all the way up to a 28-inch, but they're sold out, so they only have a 22-inch available, and the shortest length is a 10-inch, but they're out of that as well. So the next one up would be a 12-inch. Basically, go into more detail. I love everything about this hair. It was very easy to pluck and bleach and everything like that, so I think that is very much so a good buy. The only thing is that I'm just looking for more products to put in my kinky curly units because my natural hair texture is not kinky like this. But pretty much it's really, really pretty. It does dry fast, so it won't stay wet. But if you do comb the curls out with a comb and you put a good product that's like heavy, you're going to see the curls become really defined because they can be very tight and coiled. Please comment down below your thoughts and opinions. I would love to know. And yeah, thank you guys so much. I'm going to let you continue to watch. All right, so we are finished. I want to get you guys some good lighting so you can see how this hair is looking. It's so very pretty, so natural. You guys, oh my God, it's so freaking pretty. Like, I went outside and I got so many compliments on this hair. It's not even funny. Like, it's just so pretty. I think I did a really, really good job on this. So yeah, you guys, please don't forget to like this video if you like today's content. Also, don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. As always, it's my pleasure, and I will be back with more videos this week. So please stay tuned and turn that notification bell on. You guys, you do not want to miss out on these tutorials. Oh my gosh. And I ended up adding some jewels to it, and I did put some twisties in the front. As you know, I cannot braid. But yeah, this is it, you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.